Today we're about to shatter some widely held illusions. Think you know what a millionaire looks like? Think again. We are diving deep into the surprising facts about millionaires that will turn your perception upside down. Forget the flashy cars and luxury yachts. The truth about millionaires is far more intriguing and unexpected. Let's uncover the reality behind the millionaire lifestyle that most people get wrong. Millionaires are not always born into wealth. In the unfolding narrative of millionaires, a common misconception stands starkly challenged. The belief that millionaires are predominantly born into wealth. This section peels back the layers of this myth to reveal a truth that's both inspiring and grounding. Let's start with the story of Howard Schultz, the name behind the global coffee phenomenon. Starbucks. Schultz's journey to becoming a billionaire is nothing short of cinematic. Raised in a housing complex for the poor, his childhood was far removed from the realms of affluence. Yet it was in these humble beginnings that Schultz's drive and ambition were forged. Fueled by a vision to create a unique coffee experience, he transformed the local coffee shop into an international brand. His path wasn't paved with gold. It was built on relentless pursuit and visionary thinking. Schultz's rise to wealth is a powerful testament to the fact that millionaires are often self-made, sculpting their destinies through hard work, determination, and innovative ideas. Another compelling narrative is that of Oprah Winfrey, a household name synonymous with success and influence. Winfrey's journey to becoming a millionaire was riddled with obstacles, including a childhood marred by poverty and abuse. Yet, she rose above her circumstances, harnessing her talent and resilience to build a media empire. Her story is a beacon of hope, illustrating that wealth can be achieved through perseverance and the relentless pursuit of one's passions and talents. These stories mirror research and findings, such as those detailed in books like The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. Stanley's research revealed that a significant majority of millionaires are self-made, having earned their wealth through smart financial decisions, business acumen, and often frugality. They are not the beneficiaries of generational wealth, but the architects of their own financial success. This revelation about millionaires not always being born into wealth shatters a stereotype, offering a more democratic view of wealth accumulation. It underscores a powerful message. Financial success is accessible to many, not just the privileged few. It champions the idea that with the right mindset, strategies, and perseverance, achieving millionaire status is within the realm of possibility for individuals from diverse backgrounds. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and comment if you believed in the same misconception earlier. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Millionaires live below the means. The journey through the lives of millionaires brings us to an intriguing revelation. Contrary to popular belief, many millionaires don't live a life of opulent extravagance, but instead adhere to a principle of living below the means. This discipline is a cornerstone in the strategy for wealth accumulation and preservation. Consider Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. Buffett's lifestyle is a far cry from the lavish stereotype often associated with the ultra-rich. He resides in the same modest house in Omaha he purchased back in 1958 for $31,500 and is known for driving relatively affordable cars. Buffett's frugality extends beyond his personal life into his investment philosophy, where he emphasizes value over luxury. His approach highlights a critical aspect of wealth building. Accumulating wealth is not just about how much you earn, but how effectively you manage and preserve what you earn. Another inspiring example is Chuck Feeney, the co-founder of duty-free shoppers. Feeney, who amassed billions, chose to live a life of startling frugality. He wore a $15 watch, flew economic class, and lived in a rented apartment. What's even more remarkable is Feeney's commitment to giving away his fortune to philanthropic causes, embodying the principle of using wealth to create a positive impact rather than for lavish personal consumption. This trend of living below one's means is not just limited to a few individuals, but is a common trait found among many millionaires. Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, in their book The Millionaire Next Door, revealed that most millionaires are exceptional budget conscious. They avoid spending on high-end brands, luxury cars, or extravagant homes. Instead, they allocate their resources towards savings, investments, and building financial security. These examples and studies dismantle the myth of the spendthrift millionaire, painting a picture of individuals who prioritize financial security and value creation over material display. They understand that true wealth is not reflected in the price of their possessions, but in the health of their bank account and investment portfolios. In a sense, the practice of living below one's means among millionaires is a testament to the importance of financial discipline and foresight. It underscores the truth that building and maintaining wealth isn't about embracing extravagance, but about cultivating a mindset of prudent financial management. This approach to wealth is less about denying oneself life's luxuries and more about making strategic choices that prioritize long-term financial well-being over immediate gratification. It's a powerful lesson that wealth is not just what you accumulate, but also what you wisely preserve. Millionaires are not just high earners. In unraveling the truth about millionaires, we come to a crucial and often surprising realization: not all millionaires are high earners. This revelation is pivotal in understanding the dynamic of wealth creation and accumulation. To illustrate this, let's explore the story of Ronald Reid, a janitor and gas station attendant. His name may not resonate with the glitz and glamour often associated with millionaires, yet upon his death, Reid left an estate valued at over $8 million. How did a man with such modest earnings amass such wealth? The answer lies in his approach to money, frugal living, and savvy investing. Reid consistently invested in well-performing stocks, proving that wealth accumulation is less about the size of your paycheck and more about how you manage and grow your income. Ronald Reid's story isn't an isolated phenomenon. It echoes a broader theme found in the research of Thomas J. Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door. Stanley's study revealed that many millionaires are not high-income earners, but are exceptionally good at saving and investing. They allocate their resources wisely, often putting a significant portion of their income into investments that yield long-term returns. Consider the case of a school teacher with a modest income who, through disciplined saving and intelligent investing, retires comfortably as a millionaire. By consistently putting money into her retirement accounts and low-cost index funds and avoiding unnecessary debt, she was able to grow her wealth steadily over the years. Her story underscores the principle that regular, disciplined investing can be more effective in building wealth and earning a high income. These stories and research findings challenge the common perception that to become a millionaire, one must have a high-paying job or a significant source of income. They reveal a critical aspect of wealth building. It's not solely about earning more, it's about saving more, investing wisely, and managing money efficiently. In that sense, the journey to becoming a millionaire is often less about the glamour of high earnings and more about the practicality of sound financial habits. It's a path marked by consistent saving, prudent investing, and patience to see these efforts compound over time. The stories of individuals like Ronald Reid and the findings of researchers like Thomas J. Stanley provide powerful testimony to the fact that with the right financial approach, even those with modest incomes can achieve the milestone of becoming a millionaire. It's a lesson in the power of financial discipline and the potential of intelligent investing, regardless of income level. So there you have it. The surprising facts about millionaires that challenge uncommon perceptions. It turns out that millionaires are often self-made, living below the means, and may not have the highest income. The wealth is a result of discipline, smart financial decisions, and sometimes an unconventional approach to money. Remember, appearances can be deceiving, especially when it comes to wealth. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover the truth about millionaires. Maybe it's time to rethink what it truly means to be wealthy. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.